Good morning, students. Welcome to the online classes of Leal Public School. How are you? Hope you all are good at home and enjoy your classes. Students, in the last video, we have read the chapter. I hope you all are read the chapter. And in this class, we are going to start book exercise of this chapter. Okay. So, before starting the exercise, I will show you a video that based on this chapter. So, you watch it carefully and try to understand it. Okay, students?
Holi in the jungle. Foxy the fox was singing.
Let us play Holi. Let us play Holi. Let us play a trick on Holi.
Bhima the bear saw Foxy put shoe polish and red paint into a box. He saw Foxy put in banana peels and some mud too. Bhima did not like this. Foxy asked Bhima to help him carry the box. They stopped under a tree. Bhima quietly threw away everything that was in the box. Then he put flowers and leaves into the box. They came to the middle of the jungle. Foxy began to sing.
Come, come, everyone. Let us play Holi. Let us have fun.
Rabbits, bears, elephants, monkeys, and deer came running. Foxy opened the box. He found flowers and leaves. All the animals clapped and danced. Foxy was puzzled. Bhima smiled. They played Holi with flowers and leaves. Holi was so much fun.
Students, I hope you all enjoy this video. Now it's time to do exercise of this chapter. So our first question is, complete these sentence with words from the box. Yes, what is these words? Read with ma'am. Jungle, leaves, singing, help and tree. Okay. Foxy the fox was. Yes, जो Foxy थी वो क्या कर रही थी? Singing. That's why we write singing here. S-I-N-G-I-N-G, singing. Okay. Now next is Foxy asks Bhima for. Foxy ने भीमा को क्या करने के लिए कहा? Help. So what we write here? Help. H-E-L-P. Help. Okay. Next, Foxy and Bhima stopped under a, कहाँ पर रुके थे वो थोड़ा रेस्ट करने के लिए? Under a tree. So what we write here? Tree. T-R-E-E, tree. Okay. Now next is, they come to the middle of the, कहाँ पर चले गए थे वो? किसके बीच में? Jungle. So what we write here? Jungle. J-U-N-G-L-E, jungle. Okay. Now next is, they played Holi with flowers and leaves. Okay. So what we write here? Leaves. L-E-A-V-E-S. Leaves. Okay. Now next is, pick the names of the animal who played Holi with Foxy and Bhima. Yes, अब आपको देखो नेम तो पता ही है किस किस ने एक साथ मिलकर होली खेली थी. So जिसने भी फॉक्सी के साथ और बीमा के साथ होली खेली थी हमें उसको टिक करना है और जिसने नहीं खेली थी उसको क्रॉस करना है. सो फर्स्ट रैबिट. यस, रैबिट ने होली खेली थी. डियर्स. यस. जिराफ. नो. We put cross here. Cat. No. Elephants. Yes. Okay. Hippo. Yes. Deer. Hippo ने होली खेली थी? Yes or no? No, it's wrong. So we put cross here. Okay. Deer. Yes, deer ने खेली थी. Okay. Monkeys. Yes. Dinosaur. No. So we put cross here. Squirrel. No. Okay. I hope you all fill your book with ma'am. Okay, very good. Now moving to the next question. Look at this. Who put these things into the box? Type Bhima or Foxy on the blank. अब जिसने जो चीज बॉक्स के अंदर रखी थी आपको उसके आगे उसका नाम लिखना है. मड, मिट्टी किसने डाली थी? यस, Foxy. So what we write here? Foxy. 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 Next, shoe polish. Again Foxy. Foxy नहीं तो डाली थी shoe polish box के अंदर. Yes. Leaves. Bhima. Leaves किसने डाली थी? Bhima ने. Wait. Bhema. Bhima. Banana peels. Foxy. Banana peels तो Foxy नहीं डाले थे ना. तो so what we write here? Foxy. Foxy. Next, flowers. Flowers किसने रखे थे बॉक्स के अंदर? Bhima. Leaves और flowers को Bhima नहीं रखे थे. Yes. So what we write here? Bhema. 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 Okay. Now turn your page. Yes. Look at this page. Okay. Work with words. Read the words on the word wall. सबसे पहले क्या करना है? जो ये word wall पर words लिखे हुए हैं आपको इनको read करना है. Okay. First word is paint. Yes, you speak with ma'am. Paint, faint, stained. Okay. Peel, heel, sound, round, found. Okay. Now next is click and choose the odd one in each set. अब ये जो वर्ड्स दिए यहाँ पे आपको एक क्लाउड्स दिए हुए हैं ना, इनके अंदर कुछ वर्ड्स लिखे हुए हैं. आपको इसमें जो वर्ड अलग लग रहा है उसके ऊपर सर्कल करना है. ओके. सो फर्स्ट इज पेंट, वेंट, फेंट, सेंड. सो which is odd? Went na, that's why we circle on it. Okay. Now next is peel, feel, heel, pull. So what is odd one? This, pull. So we circle on it. Okay. Next, sound, round, found, hand. What? Hands. So we circle on hand. Is that okay? Now next is, look at this picture. Type double letters on the blanks to name these animals. आपको यहाँ पर जो ब्लैंक्स दिए हुए हैं उसमें एक एनिमल का नेम है और वो जो ब्लैंक्स फिल करने के बाद वो एनिमल का नेम कंप्लीट होगा. दैट्स व्हाई यू राइट हियर. ओके. स्क्विरल. सो व्हाट इज द स्पेलिंग ऑफ स्क्विरल? यस, SQUIRREL. Squirrel. Okay. Next, giraffe. 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 Next, hippo. Yes, what is the spelling of hippo? HIPPO. Hippo. Is that clear? Now moving to the next page. Okay. Look at this. No grammar. Okay. So look at this. Look at the picture and read the sentence. I am Roma. What she say? I am Roma. Okay. She is Jaspreet. और ये कौन है? Jaspreet. She is Hina. और ये कौन है? Hina. I am Roma. He is Jaspreet. She is Hina. We are friends. Okay. So look at this sentence. We use am for I. हमने I के साथ क्या यूज किया? Am. We use am with I. Okay. We use is with he. He और she के साथ हमने क्या यूज किया है? Is. And we use are with we. और we के साथ हमने क्या यूज किया है? are. मतलब जब सिंगल किसी के लिए हम बात करते हैं तो उसके साथ हम is यूज करते हैं, और अगर हम बहुत सारे जनों के लिए यूज करते हैं मतलब मैनी के लिए यूज करते हैं तो हम वहां पर आर यूज करते हैं, और आई के साथ हम क्या यूज करते हैं? एम. इज दैट क्लियर? ओके. लुक एट दिस पिक्चर. क्लिक एंड चूज द करेक्ट वर्ड इन द बकेट. Okay, so first is I is MR टू. ओके, सो आई के साथ हम क्या यूज करेंगे, इज. आई एम, आई एम टू. ओके, नेक्स्ट वी. मैम ने आपको बताया था वी मतलब हम, मतलब एक से ज्यादा है ना. सो व्हाट वी यूज, वी प्लेइंग हाइड एंड सीक. वी आर प्लेइंग हाइड एंड सीक. वी आर प्लेइंग हाइड एंड सीक. ओके, नेक्स्ट भीमा. एक सिंगल है ना, सो व्हाट वी यूज इज एम आर इज. भीमा इज बिहाइंड अ ट्री. भीमा कहाँ है, ट्री के पीछे है. यस, बनी. बनी अगेन सिंगल. Bunny is MR. Bunny is looking for us. Bunny is looking for us. Okay. Now next is we. Again we. We are having fun together. We are having fun together. Okay. Now turn your page. Yes. Look at this. Look at the picture and read the sentence. अब आपको क्या करना है, पिक्चर को देखना है और सेंटेंस रीड करना है. This is a butterfly. This is a butterfly and that is a flower. This is a butterfly and that is a flower. We use this for near. अगर हमारे पास में कुछ चीज होती है तो उसके लिए हम किसका यूज करते हैं, this का यूज करते हैं. And we use that for far things. जो चीज हमसे दूर होती है उसके लिए हम किसका यूज करते हैं, that का यूज करते हैं. Look at this picture. देखो इस पिक्चर में this is a fly. This is a butterfly. So जो butterfly है ये इस boy के पास है ना, that's why we use this is a butterfly. Okay, that is a flower just because flower देखो इससे दूर है ना. Okay, that's why he used that is a flower. Is that clear? आपको समझ में आया? जो चीज हमसे दूर होती है उसके लिए हम किसका यूज करते हैं, that का यूज करते हैं. और जो चीज हमारे पास होती है उसके लिए हम किसका यूज करते हैं, this का यूज करते हैं. Okay, so look at this. Yes, first picture is this is a car. This is a car and देखो क्योंकि कार उसके हाथ में है ना तो उसने इसलिए उसके लिए किसका यूज किया, this का यूज किया. So what we write here, we write this here. This THIS. This. This is a car. Okay. Next, that is a bicycle. और साइकिल उससे दूर है, सो उसने यहाँ पर क्या यूज किया, that. So what we write here, that. This is a car or that is a bicycle. Is that clear? When we use, when we write single, when we talk about single things, one things, इसलिए हम this और that का यूज करते हैं. और जब हम many things के बारे में बात करते हैं तो हम उसके लिए क्या यूज करते हैं, these और those. Is that okay? Now next is this is a bee. This is a bee. Okay, next that is a tree. देखो bee उसके पास में है इसलिए हमने किसका यूज किया है, this का. और that का यूज हम किस लिए कर रहे हैं, क्योंकि tree उससे दूर है. Tree is far from the girl. That's why we write that here. That is a tree. Okay. Now next is, look at your next page. Look at the picture and read the sentence. Look at the picture and read the sentence. These are balloons. Yes. Look at this girl. What she hold? क्या पकड़ा हुआ है उसने? Balloons. That's why she said these are balloons. क्योंकि उसके हाथ में ही बलून है. Okay. और वो बहुत सारे हैं, many हैं. Okay. Next, those are kites. Those are kites just because kites कहाँ है, दूर है उससे. That's why she is write those here. Those are kites. Okay. Now next is type these or those on the blanks. Okay. Yes. Look at this boy. What he say? Are bats. These are bats. These are bats. Okay. Are teddy bears. Yes, teddy bears उससे पास क्या है या दूर है, दूर है. That's why we write those here. THOSE. Those are teddy bears. Okay. Now next is are my books. These are my books. These. These are my books. Just because books इसके पास में है ना, इसलिए हमने यहाँ पे क्या लिखा है? These are my toys. Those are my toys. Because toys are far from him. THOSE. Those are my toys. Okay. Now moving to the next page. Yes. Look at this. What is right here? Yes. Listen to your teacher. Do as she tell you. आपको अपनी टीचर की बात सुननी है और जो वो कह रही है ना वो ही करना है. Yes. Listen.
1. Raise your hands. 2.
Raise your hands.
Touch your head.
Touch your head.
3. Nod your head.
Nod your head.
Turn around.
And turn around.
5. Clap your hands.
Clap your hands. Okay. So next is let's speak. Talk your parents. Talk your partners. Okay. You, what do your parents do? आपके parents मम्मा पापा क्या करते हैं? Partner. My mother is a doctor and my father is a lawyer. How do you help at home? और आप उनकी कैसे help करते हो? You. I help मम्मा lay the table for dinner. मैं अपनी मम्मा की help करता हूँ dinner की table लगाने के लिए. Okay. As you may use these words and write the sentence and talk to your partner. आप ये जो words दिए हुए हैं नीचे इनका use करके अपने friend से अपने partner से बात कर सकते हैं. Okay. Now next is let's write. Okay. Match the column to make sentence. Type them below. Okay. First of all, we match it. Yes. My bus is late today. आज मेरी बस late हो गई है. The peacock is dancing. The peacock is dancing. Okay. We like to play in the park. हम कहाँ पर खेलना पसंद करते हैं? हम पार्क में खेलना पसंद करते हैं. Okay. And we write this sentence here. The monkey climbs the tree. Okay. Our next sentence is number 2. My school bus is late. My school bus is late today. My school bus is late today. है ना? आपको ऐसे ही ये सेंटेंस यहाँ पर लिखने हैं. Okay. Now moving to the next page. Yes. Look at this. Fun to do. Sit in a circle. Talk to your friends as shown. Can you hop like a rabbit? Can you roar like a lion? Can you fly like a bird? Okay. You may use these words. Can you swim like a fish? Can you jump like a kangaroo? Can you swim like a monkey? Okay. You talk your friends. Use these words. Okay. Now next is how can we keep animals safe during festival? Put a tick or cross in each box. Okay. Keep pets safely indoors. Yes or no? Yes. So we put right here. Play loud music? No. So we put cross here. Next. Throw water balloons at animal? No. It's a wrong. वो हर्ट हो सकते हैं ना, उनको चोट लग सकती है. Throw away waste carefully. Yes. हमें जो waste होता है उसको ध्यान से फेंकना चाहिए. That's why we click on it. Okay. Arrange lights on tree where there are nets. No, हमें वहां पर lights नहीं लगानी चाहिए. So we put cross here. Okay, students. I hope that's enough for today's class. We will meet in next meeting. Till then, you read the chapter and fill your book in neat and clean handwriting. Take care. Bye bye.